Greetings, global family. We are an organization of African Americans and continental Africans that pooled our resources to help our community to learn our ancestral origins. We are not a DNA testing company. We acquired DNA test kits from Ancestry.com and LivingDNA.com. We traveled to various African countries and conducted autosomal DNA testing with multiple ethnic groups like Igbo, Ewe, Yoruba, Wolof, Tikar, Ashanti, Bamoon, Akwapem, and many more. We downloaded the DNA raw data files from the testing company's websites. Then we uploaded the files to Gedmatch.com, MyHeritage.com, FTDNA.com, and LivingDNA.com. We completed this process so the African diaspora could check these websites to see if they are related. We also provide online instructions on how to search the websites for Africa-born DNA relatives. This is our community reconnection service. Reconnecting the diaspora with the African DNA cousins that we tested is free. Here's a message from one of our DNA-tested Igbo ambassadors to his DNA cousins in America and the diaspora. He is a Nigerian filmmaker and Igbo cultural icon.
My name is Ugezu J. Ugezu, the Nollywood ambassador for the DNA-tested African Americans. We are delighted that finally we are seeing our cousins from all over the world. The news is making rounds that some people are telling you that we live in trees, that we live in bushes. All those are lies. We are very credible people that live in a very credible society. If you feel like coming back to Africa, feel like coming back to Nigeria, you are encouraged. We welcome you with our whole heart because we are happy that you have finally identified us as your brothers and as your sisters. We are happy to welcome you back anytime, any day. Thank you so much for your understanding. Ugezu J. Ugezu is a Nigerian filmmaker, member of the Directors Guild of Nigeria, licensed to make Nigerian films. So whatever thing I say should be taken seriously. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
To find out if you are a DNA cousin of any African DNA kits in our database, visit our website for instructions. Select the contact feature and follow the steps provided. You can also purchase a journal to write your own true ancestral story.